United Way of Salt Lake has made a promise to our community to change the odds. In many neighborhoods, the odds are stacked against kids and families. Some 63% of children live at or near the poverty level. Only 47% of children are proficient in reading. Just 18% of adults have a bachelor's degree. And 34% of children are without health insurance. But by working together with cities, schools, businesses, and dozens of nonprofits to develop solutions, the odds can change.
Community schools are both a place and a philosophy around education and around success, student success. Essentially, we all know that many social issues and social problems are very complex and interrelated. A community school or a neighborhood center allows us to tackle these in a very intentional, coordinated way, acknowledging that income affects student achievement, health issues at the home affect student achievement, and so teachers can be, involved in the planning for a healthcare initiative. Healthcare providers can be involved in a student academic planning scenario, and so we're able to really use the environment of a school where community members come on a daily basis, parents are there on a daily basis, we can interact with the community, we have a lot of people there to really make an in-depth, at-scale impact. And it's through these partnerships that we're able to ensure children are reading on grade level by third grade, that children are entering kindergarten ready to learn, that we can address health disparities in our communities, that we can ensure that children and family have stable incomes in order to meet their long-term goals.
United Way of Salt Lake is working to help children enter kindergarten ready to learn and to stay on track. An at-risk child that does not participate in a high-quality preschool program is 25% more likely to drop out of school, 70% more likely to never attend college, and 60% more likely to be arrested for a violent crime. United Way of Salt Lake works with partners every day to change these odds. In fact, children in Granite School District, part of our high-quality preschool partnership, are 77% more likely to be ready for kindergarten. These children are also outperforming their peers and are on track to attend college.
We've seen a high number of children enter our preschool program scoring really low. And when I say low, they look a lot like children who have disabilities when they come to us. They have low vocabulary, low language skills, low pre-academics. And then through this process of high-quality preschool and these teachers getting the kids really actively engaged in learning, they just take off. They are so ready for kindergarten. They're at the tops of their classes. And we've watched that trend continue on through first grade, second grade, third grade. Now our little ones that we had started collecting data on will now be going into sixth grade. They are the leaders in their schools. They are at the tops of their classes. They're talking about going to college. They know that the things that they want to be have to have college degrees. They talk about getting master's degrees. When we educate our youngest children and connect them to school, we are building a community. And when we do that, sky's the limit. We can go anywhere.
In order for kids to be successful in schools, they have to stay healthy. Community schools and neighborhood centers ensure kids get the attention they need when it comes to their health. In fact, the number of kids who receive regular immunizations is up 36%, and families receiving regular health care in some communities is up 32%.
We are very thankful for United Way and creating some systems that has allowed us to do our job a lot more effectively and efficiently. When we go with the mobile clinic out to a promised neighborhood, it's like going to the doctor in your own neighborhood. We provide medical care right there, we provide eye care, and we even provide oral health education and health education. We've worked with the coordinator at that site who works with United Way that knows the community, and that's the key point of our effectiveness, is somebody on the ground that has a reach into the community and has collaboration. We could not do what we do without United Way.
Our goal is to make sure that students not only graduate from high school, but that they're prepared for and complete post-secondary education. In many of our Promise partnerships, junior high science and language arts proficiency is up 20%.
The Women's Leadership Council is focused on women in education. and a lot of efforts in terms of contributions and also volunteer work go to helping the young women in our community realize their potential and attend and successfully complete post-secondary education.
I know for sure that I'm going to college, without a doubt. I really want to go to college, but the thing is, I don't know what school, but I will apply to many different colleges. I don't know what I want to study yet. I just want to be able to push my education to a higher point.
None of this work can be accomplished alone. By working together, we are changing lives and communities forever. Together, we are solving problems that seem overwhelming. Together, we are leveling the playing field and changing the odds for all children. Together, we are delivering on our promise so that every child succeeds every step of the way, from cradle to career. Join United Way of Salt Lake and be part of the change. Give, advocate, volunteer.